Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the SimPure Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get the box open, we'll find our instructions, kind of a, I guess a little plate for any drips. Find our actual filtration system, and that is it. So we'll get this out of the wrapping here. Alright, so on the front you'll find a quick guide to your indicator lights and everything like that. You'll just need to unwrap this plastic when you're ready. You will need to kind of undo this here where we're going to be filtering the water and everything behind. And there's going to be a number of different pieces of tape to remove. They're easy to remove, as you can see. And then we'll just pour some water in there and run the filters. Alright, and so your drip plate is just going to simply go right into the base here, and you'll be able to kind of just put your drinks, whatever. Obviously this is big, but your cup would go right underneath there, and then it would fit in there. Obviously this is a gigantic thing. I'm just kind of using it because I could grab it right now. When we turn the back around here, this will pop open and be removable, or down. You still got to remove some tape, and that's something I didn't notice that I didn't do yet. So remove that tape, and that should then be completely removable. If you need to empty out, you can just remove those plugs. You will find your filters in the back. I'm not going to do anything with that specifically right now. Just read your instructions as far as how to change filters and everything. But once you fill up your water, you're just going to literally place it in, close it up, and you'll be able to run it. Kind of hard to see, but there are levels here on this that will kind of just walk you through, and you can't really see this one right here very well. But there's just levels showing you how much water is left, and as you can see, this thing now is starting to bubble here. As once you plug it in, it starts to run the filtering process, and it's telling me currently that there's a shortage of water, meaning that it just needs to get water going through there and doing the filtering process. So as we kind of look at the lights, you have filtering, UV, change water, pure water shortage, and all the lights. And as mentioned, they kind of give you details on what is going on as far as what those lights mean, and of course what action you should be taking. So I'm in the process of just filtering right now and using the UV to kind of filter all the water. So it does take a little while, and you may need to change out the water once or twice depending on how the filtering's going. And then we'll have 6 ounce, 12 ounce, 15 ounce, and a reset option. And we'll just demonstrate the 6 ounces when we're ready. And there you go, it pours out nice, clean, mildly bubbly water, but should be good to go. And there you have it. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.